Hi, Danielle here. In this video, we'll take a look at the Saffir-Simpson scale and how it relates to the different hurricane threats. Hurricanes are classified on the Saffir-Simpson Hurricane Wind Scale. As the name implies, storms are rated by their wind speeds from 1 to 5, with 5 being the strongest. All hurricanes can produce significant damage since, by definition, they all have winds in excess of 75 miles per hour. The difference primarily lies in how extensive and widespread the damage will be. The biggest thing to keep in mind regarding the Saffir-Simpson category, though, is that it only accounts for the wind threat. It says absolutely nothing about the other hurricane threats. To illustrate the lack of correlation between Saffir-Simpson category and the heavy rainfall and inland flooding threat, we need only look at the list of top 10 heavy rain producers in the continental United States. Note that all but 3 of the storms in this list were tropical storms or Category 1 hurricanes at landfall. Even Harvey, while it made landfall as a Category 4, produced most of its heavy rainfall after weakening to a tropical storm. Along the same lines, let's take a look at some notable storm surge events in the Gulf of Mexico and how they relate to the Saffir-Simpson scale. On this chart are 8 select hurricanes that made landfall along the U.S. Gulf Coast, listed left to right in decreasing order of their maximum storm surges. The number underneath each storm name indicates the storm's intensity by Saffir-Simpson category at landfall. Notice that the categories of these storms do not decrease from left to right. In fact, there is little order to them at all. That's because wind speed is only one of many factors determining how much storm surge will occur. In summary, the single most important thing to remember about the Saffir-Simpson category is that it only characterizes a hurricane's wind threat. This is why there's no such thing as just a Category 1. All hurricanes are different, and it's important to be aware of all the threats that will accompany them. For information regarding other threats like freshwater flooding, storm surge, and tornadoes, you need to stay aware of the whole forecast, not just the category. For more information about hurricane hazards and threats, you can visit the National Hurricane Center website at hurricanes.gov. Also, be sure to follow us on social media. Our handle on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube is NWS New Orleans. Finally, for the latest forecasts for Southeast Louisiana and Southern Mississippi, you can visit our website at weather.gov/New Orleans.